Hello students, today we are starting our lecture number 11. In this lecture, we shall discuss ads. We know advertisement and advertisement also need content. So ad writers are also very hot in these days. They can earn handsome amount from freelancing market. In this lecture, we shall also discuss how to write ads, tips to write ads, promotional content, what is promotional content, informational content, taglines and punchlines, how to make great taglines and punchlines. So let's start our lecture. Ads writing. Advertisement is used to market a business. Being a writer, you should learn how to write effective ads. Tips to write advertisement. You should understand the target audience. Feel yourself in the shoes of the customer to understand the problems and their solutions. You should consider demographic data of your customers such as age, gender, location, language, hobbies, and interests. Know your unique selling point to convince your customers. It is the unique characteristics of your products and services that other companies don't have. We know 80% of the people read headlines and 20% go through the text in detail. It is very important to attract the reader with your catchy headlines, else it will bring nothing. Behave as you are a friend of your customer, develop good relationships with them, talk to your customers with respect to have good image in their hearts. It is not easy to show that you are better than others, but you have to prove it with compelling arguments that how your product or service is good than others. Express emotional words to awake your reader's emotions to stay long in his mind. These emotions can be positive or negative, but their effect is long-lasting. The use of numbers and statistics are effective. It can be supported with an authentic reference. Research is the base of your marketing strategies. You need to research about the age, location, product, service, industry, and audience. You should be biggest critic of your own. You should understand why people don't like your product or service. It is very important to analyze your published content, that what has worked good and what not. It will also indicate that you are suffering from writer's block or not. You should understand the type and writing style of different types of ads. You should know whether you are writing banner ads, search ads, or social ads. Promotional content. The content on your website or blog is written to attract people. The goal of this content is to convert your visitors into customers. The content should be informative and promotional. What is promotional writing? The intent of promotional content is to market your services or products to your followers. It not only provides information but helps in decision making, that is, converting your visitors to customers. What is informational content? The purpose of informational content is to provide answers to the questions of your visitors. It educates your visitors or customers. The informational content can be evergreen or time limited. The evergreen type content consists of information, overview, tips, or tutorial. It is better to include both types of content, taglines and punchlines. Tagline of a company is a brief introduction setting first impression upon the reader by the company. It also helps to boost your recognition and awareness of the product and company. How to make great taglines and punchlines. A good tagline transmits positive impression of the product or service using fresh and bright words. Don't talk about the general services but focus on the benefits of the brand. Purpose of the brand should be shown uniquely. Tagline should be catchy and brief to remember easily. Public thoughts and emotions should be vibrant from the taglines. There should be sensible and meaningful message behind it. Examples. Here are the examples of some punchlines, guidelines. Honda City, car brand. The city just got better. Nestle FMCG, good food, good life. Singapore Airlines, it's an airline, a great way to fly. Rolls-Royce, automaker, trusted to deliver excellence. Microsoft, IT company, your potential, our passion. LG, diversified, life's good. Thank you.